Hmm? Let's start. I want to make the cup of coffee, so I'm gonna make flat white. So flat white, you have to take your portafilter. Uh, then you have to put some beans, some beans. Then you grind your coffee. Now I have 20 grams of coffee. Distribute your coffee. Then you tamp. You flash your group head, and then you're ready to extract your espresso. So I tear my scale. Then I start. Okay. Branch my steamer and then start steaming. This is the flat white. So when you want to